Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So we are going to discuss a very fantastic app, that is battery charging monitor ampere meter. So this is last updated on 24 February 2020. So I will give the link of this application, you can download by the description. So you can download from here, description. Still you do not like and subscribe, then Nourish Zainab official. This channel is for the English classes and 11 session we have completed. So first go and like and subscribe. This is my another channel, and also the subscribe my How to Learn. Okay, so you can get the link of any video and any application by the description. So first go and where is the description is here. Okay, so I will give the link here, you can download from it. Still you do not like and subscribe, first like and subscribe and give me comment. Okay, let's come to the app. So you also install this, then next, go to it. Okay, so you can see here I have opened the connected by the charger as well, and you can see the all detail charger, after how many minutes it will be completed, and you can see here status charging, it's going on, level is 69, and PUBG AC charger, health is good, voltage is coming 4.156 voltage, battery temperature you can see, technology line I, battery capacity you can see 3600 megawatt, available RAM space you can see by this, and as well as PC temperature you can see. So this is very fantastic app and you can use by this, but you have to connect by the good charger. If you will connect by the local charger, so I have disconnected by the charger, so it will show, but I am connecting again, you can see. So this is very fantastic, and it will give you the seconds report as well. Okay, you can see here this is coming. Okay, and one more thing is that 36% is remaining, you can see this thing is also. So it's a very fantastic. So still you do not like and subscribe, first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any update. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.